Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ka Sorkar Jilla ka Sathiet kumban Riu Pautali ki Thuk Arshaka Nakabenta ka Tnat Pulit ban temya ka Jingdheng kali ha surong ka Sor Shillong namar ka Jingkhapnya jo ki surong ki baslei de ki kali wet ki Thuk Arshaka kham tam ha ki sngi poya ya kani la pentep do menteri rangba ka Jilla konrat kongkal sangma ha ka jing ekran bagi lap thai kubor hadien balawai ka jingalang ka balalong ha ka office rekam jo ka Tnat Pulit hanong ba Shillong ha ka sngi balang ka khatlai tri unai tung ar hajar ar puar Shushu menteri rangba oleh Thuk bakni ke jingalang kala shime karai ban ai kusnam shiki Pulit ki platrish tom ban ai ke jing shakri ke bahatam shaki pajba men ba ka Jilla kala shalin shop haki bor jong kamariang men tau snam ar hajar ar puar nalor kata oleh Thuk ru ba ka Sorkar kan sa ai kali thamai shaki nyop penritli ki police station khnang ba kindobla ban ai ke jing shakri ba khamba shaki pajba habadan kinu ki jingja ki ba kerke
Many schemes and many programs, many issues were discussed with the Deputy Commissioners, and more importantly, how we could ensure that the delivery mechanism improves in terms of the processes, in terms of change in rules or policies, or the utilization of technology to improve the overall delivery mechanism at the grassroots level. So these many aspects were discussed in the DC conference. More specifically, we discussed about the disaster management issues, especially keeping in mind the flood situation which we faced a few weeks back and the kind of disasters that took place because of that, the loss of lives, the damage to agriculture, the damage to infrastructure, and all these aspects were discussed, and more importantly, on how we prepare ourselves for future situations, take precautions, prioritize what is most important, and as I said, improve the overall infrastructure technology to be able to face this kind of situations in the future. We've also decided that we will be creating what we call the Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund. This is again similar to the concept of the schools and the health infrastructure, but this is for police specifically. And as you are aware, police stations require infrastructure improvement, renovation at quite small levels. But in order to do all of those repairs, the process was very lengthy. The department would have to send it to the secretariat, would go to the planning, would go to finance. Hence, we have decided to cut all those procedures, and we have decided that we will give a direct fund to the district level at DRDA. And the DRDA will again work closely with the SPs and the battalions to take up the smaller renovation works that are there at the battalion as well as the district level. At the same time, we have also decided that the larger SP offices and the different infrastructures that are required in different districts at a larger scale, those also will be done. Normal process of it going through the department and through planning, and the normal procedure is done, because as you're aware, a large number of the offices, districts don't have SP offices also, especially the newer ones. So we will be creating and sanctioning offices for SPs in the districts which don't have them. We have also decided that there are 76 police stations, and a large number of them don't have vehicles, or the vehicles are in very bad condition. We have decided to give brand new vehicles to all the 76 police stations, because these are the first point of contact for the public. And the police not only do their duty as police officers from law and order point of view, but they are also involved in a large additional activities in emergency situations, sometimes even in health situations. They are there to serve the people. So we feel that better infrastructure and logistical support at the police station level is required, and hence we'll be giving a brand new vehicle to all the police stations, along with also computer and complete IT setup, because a large number of police stations do not have these setups, and obviously these are basic requirements to ensure that they're able to do their work properly. Also, on a selected basis, we have decided that cranes and ambulances will be given to the high traffic zone districts and accident prone districts to enable them to serve the people better. So cranes, in order to obviously lift the vehicles that could be who have met with an accident, and ambulances to carry people in case immediate response is required and other ambulances are not there. We will give ambulances even at the police level so that immediate response can be given if and when required. Keeping in mind that out of the 4 lakh plus vehicles that Meghalaya has, 50% of them are in East Khasi Hills, and about 70 to 80% out of these 2 lakh plus vehicles are in Shillong. So therefore there is a huge traffic congestion and issues out here. So for that we have also decided that 60 motorcycles for the overall monitoring and movement out here in order to control the traffic. The police will be given 60 additional motorcycles to be able to do all these kind of monitoring work in terms of the traffic congestion that we have. We have also been apprised that a large number of the districts and the police forces do not have sufficient accommodation. And from the records that we were shown, almost there is a dissatisfaction level. That means a large number of them, almost 70% plus, do not have proper accommodation and they have to stay in rented places. Hence, we have also started the process where on a case-to-case basis and a phase-wise manner, we will be taking up certain housing projects for the district level at the constables, SI, DSP. All of them require large housing complexes. So therefore, this issue has been taken up and we will definitely be moving forward.